Okay, today we will see last model of these equations, that is differential equations, linear equations. Okay, if the differential equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called linear equation. Okay, which is called linear equation, and we have to find out integration factor. Integration factor, that is IF, is given by IF is called e power p dx, and the solution is q into IF plus c. So what is that we have to write? So dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called linear equation. First you have to find out integration factor. Okay, IF we call e power p dx integration, and the solution is given by IF into y is equal to q into IF plus c. Next one is equal to q. Again integration factor, here dx by dy, here dy by dx, that is the difference. Okay, and the solution IF into x is equal to into q plus c. So here IF into y, here IF into x. Okay, this is the solution. So given problem you have to fit into these two formulas and we have to identify the solution. Okay, let us see based on these problems. Solve the equation. Solve the equation 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square is equal to 0. First we will write this. Plus 4xy is equal to 4x square dy by dx plus 4x by 1 plus x square y. I am dividing by this 4x square plus 1 by x square. Now what is the equation? It is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is the p? What is the q? Okay, so integration factor. So dx. Right now, this I will write. Y wrote 2 into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So it is in the form of f dash x by f of x, which is log of f of x. Therefore e power 2 into log of 1 plus x square. So this becomes e power log of 1 plus x whole square. Sorry, here it is 2x only, not 4x. 2x, here also 2x. So here it becomes log of. So it becomes e power. So e power, this base is same, so 1 plus x square. Whenever it is in the form of, it is always f of x. E power log of f of x is f of x. So 1 plus x square. So what is the integration factor we got? Now what is the solution? if into y is equal to integration of q into if plus c. If what I got into y is equal to q is what, sir? 4x square by 1 plus x square into if I got 1 plus x square dx plus c. These two will get cancelled, is equal to integration of 4x square dx plus c. So 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4 into x cube by 3 plus c. Right? So we have to find the integration factor, then find the solution. Okay, note down this. Next problem. Sin square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to cot x. So divide. Observe here what will happen. 1 by cos square x is sin, 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. Cot x by cot x into cosecant square x. Right? Now what is the p? Cosecant square x. What is the q? Cot x into cosecant square x. Right? Now integration factor, if means integration factor, e power p dx. E power p dx means cosecant square x dx. Integration of cosecant square x minus cot x. Therefore solution if into y is equal to q into if plus c. Right? So if is what? E power minus cot x y. Q is what, sir? Cot x into cosecant square x into e power minus cot x dx. Now I have to find integration for this. Now this I am considering cot x cosecant square x. Okay, let t is equal to minus cot x. What is the dt? Cosecant square x dx, which is there. Okay, so this becomes minus, because minus cot x we are taking. So minus t e power t dt. What is that? Here this is cot x is replaced by, here minus cot x we are taking. So minus sign is coming out. Cosecant square x dx is replaced by dt. E power minus cot x we have taken. Now I am writing one formula. Integration of t e power t is nothing but e power t into t minus 1. Okay, this formula. What is the formula? T e power t integration is e power t into t minus 1. This you have to remember. Therefore, where t is nothing but, t is what? Minus cot x. Minus cot x minus 1. So bring the minus sign inside. Okay. So minus sign outside. So this becomes e power minus cot x into cot x plus 1. This is integration. Therefore, final answer is what? E power minus cot x into y is equal to cot x, this integration we got, plus 1 plus c. So here we are finding integration and I am applying one formula. What is the formula for this? E power t integration e power t into t minus 1. This you have to remember. Very, very important. Okay. Please note down. Next. Let us see one more problem. dy by dx is equal to plus y tan x is equal to cos cube x, right? Again it is direct, so p is equal to tan x, q is equal to cos cube x. So what is the integration factor? E power p dx, e power tan x dx, which is e power log of secant x. Integration of tan x is log secant x. I told you one formula. Remember this is always f of x. So this becomes if is equal to secant x, which is 1 by cos x. Solution: if into y is equal to integration of q into if plus c. If is what, sir? 1 by cos x into y. Q is what, sir? Cos cube x into 1 by cos x dx plus c. So y by cos x is equal to cos cube will get cancelled, cos square x dx plus c. Now observe here, cos square can be written 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx plus c. So 1 by 2 integration of 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x dx plus c. Okay, I am separating them. It is very simple, sir. So this is same. Integration of 1 is x plus 1 by 2 cos x integration sin 2x by 2 plus c. No need of any simplification, sir. Leave the answer. So here main important if you have to find out, substitute the formula. Okay, very simple concept. Next. Now, dy by dx minus y tan x is equal to e power x secant x. Again it is same form. B is equal to minus tan x, because it should be plus sign, minus is there. Q is what? E power secant x. So integration factor e power p dx, e power minus tan x, which is nothing but e power minus log of secant x. So this minus will become power. Ante em avutadi sir? Log of secant x to the power of minus 1. So which will be secant x to the power of minus 1. So 1 by secant x. Right? We got secant x. So what is the solution? if into y is equal to integration of q into if plus c. So if is what, sir? 1 by secant x into y is equal to q is what, sir? E power secant x into if is 1 by secant x dx plus c. So y into cos x, secant x will get cancelled, integration of e power x plus c is equal to e power x plus c. So what we have done, just same problem. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సైన్ ఉన్నా కాబట్టి 1 by secant x వచ్చింది. ఇందాక డైరెక్ట్ వి గాట్ secant x in the previous video, right? Next. One plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to e power tan inverse x. So first divide చేయండి సార్. By 1 plus x square. What is the p value? 1 plus x square. Q value by 1 plus x square. What is the integration factor? Dx, which is nothing but there is no logarithm, so 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x or integration. This is IF. So what is the solution? IF into y is equal to integration of q into IF plus c. IF is what, sir? Y is equal to q is what, sir? Into e power tan inverse x dx. Okay, now we have to find integration for this. Observe here what I am doing. So let t is equal to e power tan inverse x. What is the derivative? E power tan inverse x into chain rule 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So what happened? E power tan inverse x we have put as a t. Okay. So what is the derivative of this? E power tan inverse x by 1 plus. So this has become dt. So integration of this becomes what, sir? E power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx is replaced by dt. E power tan inverse is t dt, t square by 2. So e power tan inverse x whole square by 2. Clear? So I have put e power tan inverse x is equal to t. This part has become e power tan inverse x into derivative. So this part has become dt. Therefore, final answer means what? E power tan inverse x into y is equal to this integration we got whole square by 2 plus c. We cannot cancel e power tan inverse x, constant only. So constant is there, we cannot cancel. So what we have done, we have just put t and simplified this. Right? Look at the next problem. Difference between this problem and that problem. Now, okay, 1 plus x square. So, right now p 1 by 1 plus x square, q is 1 plus x square. So integration factor, observe here, e power p dx, which is e power 1 by, which is nothing but e power tan inverse x. There is no logarithm, so it will come. Therefore, solution if into y is equal to q into if plus c. Right? Now if is what? Is equal to q is what, sir? By 1 plus x square into if is e power, sorry, here one mistake is there. One mistake here, sorry. Tan inverse x by. Okay, tan inverse x na, sir, tan inverse x by e. So this becomes q is tan inverse x by 1 plus x square e power tan inverse x dx plus c. Now is equal to this, I will rewrite. Okay, we have to find integration for this separately. Observe change, sir. So let t is equal to tan inverse x. What is the dt? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, t is equal to tan inverse x, dt is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this becomes integration of tan inverse x, we assume t, and this becomes 1 by 1 plus x square dx is dt. So t e power t dt. I gave one formula. What is the formula? t e power t into t minus 1. This formula I give already. What is the integration of t e power t minus into t minus 1. So what is the t value? E power tan inverse x into tan inverse x minus 1. Therefore, final answer. So into y, this is nothing but into plus no cancellation of e power tan inverse x because constant only. ఇక్కడ tan inverse x by 1 plus x square sir, q value. Okay, right? Please note down. Okay, let us see one more problem. Now, three x square by 1 plus x cube y is equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. Okay, what is the p value? X cube, q is 1 x cube. So integration factor EP dx x cube derivative 3x square. So it is in the form of f dash x by f of x, which is log of f of x. So this becomes e power log of 1 plus x cube 1 plus x cube. So integration factor we got. Solution is what? if into y is equal to q into if plus c. If is what? This is if 1 plus x cube into y is equal to q is what? 1 plus x square into 1x. if is 1 plus x cube dx plus c. Cancel. So integration of 1 dx plus integration of x square dx, x plus x cube by 3 plus c. Right? So we got simple. Okay, correct. Direct method, sir. Okay, in this we got some more problems are there. We'll finish up that. Then order and degree will be there. With that, your portion of 2b will be over, sir. Okay, we'll see that.